Well, guys, as you joined us earlier and you seen White miss a bird, then he made up for it and put the smack down on another nice tom. Here's the second hunt. It's quick, it's fast, doesn't last very long, but he gets her done. All right, April 22nd, 2017. I'm here with White Bingston. This is his second bird of the year. He shot one last weekend, same spot. It's been raining so much the last couple weeks that this is about the only spot we can get into because it's all sand down here in the sand hills, and it doesn't matter how much rain, it really doesn't affect us getting in and out. So this is a nice beard, probably 3/4, 7/8 inch spurs, 8.5, 9 inch beard. Shot it with his dad's rusty, trusty Remington 1100. So stay tuned for our next video.